Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I know finally she uploaded the video. I know. I've just been so preoccupied and honestly not caring to wax my armpits. So today finally I am bringing you guys the DIY on how to wax your own armpits. So before we get into any of that, I'm going to show you what it is that you need before you get into waxing, okay? So let me go ahead and show you. Okay, so the waxing kit actually comes with a few things that I'll be showing you before everything else. So the waxing kit comes with the Slow Grow, which is a minimizer, a hair minimizer. It comes with the post-wax cooling gel. It comes with the pre-wax cleanser, so you can use this to clean your armpits before you start waxing. And then it comes with the wax off, which is a wax remover. So if you have any wax left, you can go ahead and use that. And then the post-wax lotion, so this is like to help cool off after you have waxed. I actually don't use any of those items. My armpit skin is not that sensitive, so I mean, if you have sensitive skin, you can try out these and see how it helps you out after the fact. But what I use is just oil and cotton balls to take off any of the extra wax that, was left on my skin. Of course, you'll need some waxing sticks, aka popsicle sticks, but these are a little bit bigger. And although I'm the only one that uses my wax, I still change them after every wax, just to prevent bacteria from growing, Of course, waxing strips. I bought this on Amazon. I use, Johnson's baby powder to put on my armpits before I start waxing to prevent any sweat or any humidity. And that's pretty much all you need. Of course, your waxing kit, the wax that it comes with, or you can buy honey wax, hard wax, whatever kind of wax you're interested in. And of course, you will need a helper. So I'm going to have my husband come and help me because I don't have like the I just don't have the strength to pull it myself. So yeah, say hi.
Hi.
All right, whatever. Hi. Okay, so Eric is going to help me, but first, ladies, if your hair is down, baby girl, go ahead and put in a scrunchie because we don't want to get wax on our hair. All right, so now I'm gonna go ahead and apply some of the powder to my left side.
4 poops is enough.
Okay. So I usually apply the wax myself, and how we're gonna do it is the hair grows 2 different ways. One grows down and one grows upward. So I'm going to put wax on the first half going down. So I can actually smell the heat, and you don't want it to be too hot because then it'll burn you. So I've already applied the wax, and I'm going to place half of the paper on there. And I'm going to rub it for like 2 minutes? Like a minute. I'm gonna rub it so the hairs can get nice and stuck on this paper. All right, now I'm gonna have Eric pull it upward with as much strength as possible.
You ready?
Yes. Wow, look at that. Woo, look at that, look at that, look at that. Woo.
And then you do that to get the little stragglies off.
Yeah, what he said. All right, so I'm going to do the top half now.
And if you notice, she's rubbing the brush upwards and not downward.
Babe, why are you talking? Okay, the top half is done. Oh man, I put the wax paper on the wrong way. I didn't leave you enough room to pull down. Okay, so that's my first mistake. I guess I was totally lost in recording. I was supposed to leave enough room up here so that he can pull down. He still has enough, but it's just not ideal. All right, baby, come on. Good luck.
No, you good luck. Your whole armpit gonna fall off.
Did it come on? Good job.
Look
Look at that. Look at that. Ooh, baby. Let's go. Get a close-up of this armpit, baby. So, Erica's gonna get a close-up. Go ahead and do a little close-up of this armpit. Okay, so now we're gonna take some of the oil on a cotton ball. And we're going to rub it just to get all of that extra wax off. And ta-da! Look at that, beautiful. Beautiful, girl. Stop playing. Okay, so now guys, before I forget, you know your girl is addicted to making reels. So she's about to make a reel on this one. Okay guys, so now I'm going to do the right side. And now I can actually show you how I applied it on half of my armpit. So mix the wax. I usually turn it a few times so that the wax could like settle onto the popsicle stick. Blow on it just a little bit. It should be good. It should be good because I turned it off like 20 minutes ago. So here we go. On half of the armpit. We need a little bit more. So make sure to apply the wax paper with enough space for your partner to pull it out, to pull it off.
Or frame. Or frame.
Or frame. Okay, so Eric is going to pull it off while I make my reel. Go ahead, baby. Woo! Look at that. Show the camera. Woo! That one had a lot of hair. So if all of the hair does not come off, you have two options. You can go in again or just leave it until next time. I usually take it off, so I'm not sure. Okay, come on.
Three, two.
Much better? Just gonna stay. Those are going to stay because I'm not doing it again. Alright guys, so I did have some hairs left, but they're going to stay until next time because I don't like to irritate my skin. So I'm just going in with the oil now, just to clean it up a little. It should not feel sticky after you are done. If it still feels sticky, go back with some more oil. All right, guys, Eric is leaving. Say bye.
Bye.
Thank you for your help and almost ripping my armpit off.
I'm sorry. You
It's
look like you're a new armpit.
Okay, bye-bye.
Adios.
All right, guys, well, as you can see, my armpits are finished. And it is totally that easy. All you need is a friend, a spouse, a boyfriend, girlfriend, whomever to help you out, even your mom or your dad, whoever's standing around at the time to help you out. It's going to take some time to get it on your own, but I've been doing this for many years on my own. So that's why I make it look so simple, but I do suggest you get your own waxing kit. It saves you $10, $15, $20, even if it's just your armpits. And if you get the hang of it, go ahead and do your mustache, even your eyebrows. I personally don't wax my eyebrows because my eyebrow skin is super sensitive, but if I did, I would be waxing my eyebrows too, and my mustache, but I get bumps whenever I wax my mustache, so yeah, that's a whole nother story. And also down in your private area, I would show you how to do that, but y'all don't need to see my, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, you can also wax your legs, your thighs, and even your arms. If you like waxing your arms, it's also pretty simple, but I don't do that, so yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed this super simple DIY on how to wax your armpits. Stay safe. Don't try this at home if you're not an adult, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell, and follow me on Instagram at MyKBakes, because hello, your girl is a real addict. Make sure you go check out the reel that I'm making on how to wax these armpits, baby. I'm going to try to edit this video today so that I can have it up for you guys. And yeah, see you guys in my next video. Bye.